In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workflow in n8n. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or simply getting rid of workflows you no longer need, following these steps will help you manage your n8n environment efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your n8n account. You can do this on either your n8n cloud account or your self-hosted n8n instance. Enter your credentials on the login page, and once you're in, you'll see the main interface of n8n. Here, you have access to all your workflows, among other features. Next, let's navigate to the Workflows page. From the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar. Here you'll see various options. Click on either Workflows or Overview. Both will lead you to the page where you can view all the workflows you've created or have access to. This area is essentially your hub for workflow management. Now let's locate the workflow you intend to delete. In your list of workflows, find the one you wish to remove, but don't worry, we're not going to delete it straight away. Instead, we'd first archive it as an initial measure. Go ahead and find the three-dot menu, represented by vertical dots, next to the workflow you're focusing on. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to click on Archive. Archiving is essentially a soft delete. It's a way to move your workflow out of the active list without permanently erasing it, providing a layer of security in case you change your mind later. To view archived workflows, we need to tweak the current view settings. Locate the filter icon on the page, usually indicated by a funnel-shaped symbol. Clicking on this will pop up a menu with various options to customize your view. You'll want to enable the Show Archived Workflows option. By doing this, the list will update, displaying the workflows you previously archived, including the one you're planning to delete. With your archived workflow now visible, it's time for the final step, permanently deleting the workflow. Find that three-dot menu again next to your archived workflow. Click on it, and in the menu that appears, select Delete. A prompt might appear asking you to confirm this action. Since deleting is irreversible, make sure this is indeed what you want to do. Confirm the deletion and just like that, the workflow will be removed from your system. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively delete any workflow in n8n, keeping your workspace organized and free of clutter. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.